to use Adobe to get a QR code, you need InDesign through the Creative Cloud. Open up InDesign, hit New File, then just hit Create. And then what you want to do is come up to Object, Generate QR Code. And then it gives you some options here, whether or not you want a link, text message, email, business card. A lot of times it'll just be a web hyperlink. Copy and paste that URL into this box. Up here at the top, you can hit color. You can change your color to whatever you want it to be. I'll choose blue. And then just hit OK. And InDesign will generate that QR code for you. A lot of times I'll make this bigger. If you want to see it in high quality, you just do View, Display Performance, and High Quality. And there's your QR code. And then a lot of times you'll want to do File, Export, and then choose the file format that you want to export that as. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you.